I lose everything. There was something burning deep inside of me.
This is mine, the dad joke. I have waited a long time to try the dad joke. And this is the only place you can get this beautiful poutine. Oh, there's a prize. So Lita, what's your opinion of this dad joke?
It's really cheesy.
Yeah?
And cheese is
I've been waiting a long time to try this, and it's worth the wait. This is, here while I talk, we might as well put some beautiful dad joke in there. This is just the cheesiest thing ever.
Oh!
Bacon.
What's the dad joke?
What do you think there, Jack?
Here.
Is that good?
What's the dad joke?
Hi, Dave.
It's super cheesy!
Ah.
Thank the food trucks for coming and for everyone for showing up. Thanks for your patience for standing in line for so long. I know some people have maybe still got quite a long wait in front of them as well, but we've got some great entertainment here. We're going to run the event 3 more times, once in July, once August, once September, and we will have more trucks, I promise. So this is my tin hat. Enjoy!